How to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows 11. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free application that allows you to view, print, and annotate PDF files. So, if you're ready to get started, first, open up your web browser and head over to the official Adobe website. You can do this by typing Adobe Reader Download into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Adobe Acrobat Reader download page, you'll see a big blue button that. Click on that button to start downloading the installer file. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Adobe Acrobat Reader Setup Wizard. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the Setup Wizard. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows 11 PC. Now you're ready to open and view all your PDF files with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.